Hazrat Ishaq bin Abdullah ibn Abi Talha reports, he heard Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu saying, Hazrat Abu Talha was blessed with the wealth of dates more than anybody else in Ansar in Medina Munawwara, and he liked his garden Biruha extremely much, which lay right in front of Masjid Nabawi. The Prophet ﷺ would off and on visit it and drink its water of the highest quality. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says that when the words, "You shall never attain good unless you spend your favorite things," was revealed, Hazrat Abu Talha got up and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, "You shall never attain good unless you spend your favorite things." And it is a fact that I, out of my all property, like Biruha garden the most. So it is a charity in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whereof I hope for reward and a treasure in the hereafter in exchange. So you may apply it, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to the purpose Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has shown you. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Bravo! It is a highly profitable property, or the property that thrives." Ibn Maslama, the reporter, is doubtful about it. I heard whatever you said. My advice is that you should apply this garden among your kinsmen. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I will do so. Then Abu Talha applied it among his kinsmen and cousins. And Ismail, Abdullah bin Yusuf, and Yahya bin Yahya reported from Malik that he said, Raihun. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2769.